What's going on YouTube? Today's video we have the Divoom times gate. So this is a really unique clock slash like art, I guess you could say. It's really nice. We're gonna check into it. This retails for like over $100, so it's a little bit on the pricey end, but if you guys do want to check it out, links in the description down below. Without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing experience and we'll go ahead and go with our overall review. So the unboxing experience on the times gate is super well packaged. It kind of reminds me of Musin or of just some of the other brands. Like, it's a really nice packaging. I actually really like it. So it comes in this like nice gift bag, so it's really good for like a present and stuff like that. And then a nice hard shell case out of plastic. So when you open it up, you have presented with this nice look. Now this look is like a robotic, futuristic look. Like, it looks really cool. Most of the build is plastic, but it is see-through, which is really cool. So you can actually see the components on the back. So you can see the components on the inside for the most part. This has a lot of RGB that's actually really well hidden. Like, you can't even see most of the RGB, and you'd be surprised that it has RGB. And it actually looks really good when it comes to RGB. You could change individually on each section. So if you want to turn it off, change color on it, cycle, dim the brightness, anything you want to do, you could do that on the app as well. It has button functions on the top, and it has a microphone there underneath that control panel, so it's really cool. Now this is like you have to keep it continuously plugged in, otherwise, you know, you can't use it. At first I thought you can use it, you know, just like a speaker or whatever, but no, you can't. You have to keep it plugged in. Let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the functions and everything else like that. All right, so we are now booting this up here for the first time. And you can see it is loading. It takes a while for it to load, but once it actually does load, you can see it actually looks really good. The blue matching the blue in the background, this looks phenomenal. When it comes to setting up the device, on the Divoom app, you just add a new device, click times gate there at the top, and it'll automatically set up. Now let's go ahead and click times gate. Now we are activated on times gate. So when it comes to obviously let me show you the on board options here. So if you change the light, you can turn it on and off. So there we go, we have it on white now, but you can turn it on and off. It even has side LEDs right here, which, like I said, even when it's turned off, they're really well hidden, which I actually really appreciate. You have inner LEDs right there on the side. And then on the back here, it does have its own special LEDs, which you can physically see on each of these little window panels, which I think looks really nice. So these are well crafted, well thought out. So you can change the display brightness by pressing this. So display brightness is on the left for dimming, and the display brightness is on the right here for increasing the brightness. So I can show you here that it does go really dim up to where it turns off. So you can easily change that. This is probably a good spot so you can see it. So it changes the modes. And then you have mode here, which it'll change the actual screens. So this is what I had it on set for before. I forgot to add that. So on the first screen, you have a little post that says some nice words, you know, some encouragement. And then you have a clock, 2:58 p.m. And then you have my YouTube counter, 15,400 subscribers with the date and time and all that. And then we have another one, the casino, and that shows the date, time, and year, I guess. And then you also have a NBA counter for whenever it goes live and everything else like that. So just a bunch of ones that I tested out, but you have 5 individual screens and you can actually see them really well. Like, especially if they're right here where I have it set, that's a really good spot. So when you are like, videos like this take a lot of time, money, and effort in order to create, so I really appreciate if you dropped a like on the video. Gaming or editing, you can just look down, you can see the time. If you're on PC or whatever and you're on full screen, you can't really see it, but you can see it perfectly on these. Obviously they're different styles, so when we go here on the app, you could change the brightness of the screen, you can turn it off completely, you can design your own. So I have this, and you can put it on that screen there. You'll also have music, alarm, which you can set alarms. And then you have your own displays. So an overall display, so it'll use all 5 in order to be combined into like a whole screen. For stocks, for custom RMS and all that. You have YouTube channel list, YouTube video list. The YouTube counter on the middle, view count on the 4th one, and on the 5th one, I genuinely have no idea. It looks like a weather. Xmas for holidays. Let me search that one. Let me see what that one looks like. 175 days till Christmas. It shows the weather as well. 3:01. That's really cool. So it's split up the time. Halloween spider as well. It takes a second for it to actually load up, but when it does, these are like highly these are highly densified. They're not pixelated like the Pixu 64 or the Pixu Max or anything else like that. They're like really good. They're like Apple Watch screens. So it has a bunch of cities and it has a bunch of times for all of those cities. So the time in that, so you can add your own text here. So it says hello Divoom pixel art with the little image in the middle. But you could change all of the words on each of the devices, the image as well. You can select a recommended image. You can upload your own image as well. And I already showed you it, so you can individually do it. The first one is my own image that I uploaded from my phone. Turn it on and off. Screen brightness you could change. The ambient light brightness you could dim. You can change the backlights, and it shows you indicators on which ones are changed. So you could do surrounding lights, the backlights, or just all of the lights. This, that, I don't know exactly what they say. They don't label them, but you have like a fireworks animation for all the lights. If you want the surrounding lights, you could just do the surrounding lights. And we're just gonna do Batman again because I did on the last video, but we're just gonna search up Batman here. If I wanted the logo, well, there's a lot of them. We can send to local gallery. Oh, they turned it off. Let's try this one. Okay. It says right here, we could tap to change the display, so we can change it on display 5. I think that's really cool. You could do Joker too, so we could tap 3 and we'll have it there. So we have a bunch of different options now. So yeah, there's a bunch of different options when you can do this. You can change all the modes. You can change the brightness on here. It's a lot of customization when it comes to it on how you want it to be based off of your setup. The brightness, everything. Super nice. If you want to check it out, link is in the description down below. Without further ado, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.